What am I? I'm a new generation. Hello everyone, and welcome back to my Cevapcici. I just got a voice message. Excuse me. I'm kidding. Don't disturb me. Today, we're gonna do some makeup again. I really want to review or try out the new Fenty Beauty Moroccan Spice Palette. I just got it in the mail yesterday. Yes, I know, I'm a little late. It's been released like two weeks ago. But I really want to try it, and I also want to try it with you. I also realized I haven't done my base on camera in so long, and I kind of wanted to do like a whole makeup video. Also, I wanted to do my base on camera because I wanted to try out the Huda Beauty Easy Bake powder. I'm kind of reviewing two products at the same time. To be honest, I don't know how to review a face powder. I think you would have to like wear it like a couple of hours and stuff, and so it's more like I'm gonna use this. Anyway, let's just get this going, get this flowing. Let's do some makeup, fuck it. What is that? Look, it's so big it doesn't even fit into the screen. But first off, I'm gonna use the Makeup Forever HD foundation stick. I feel like I haven't even used any other foundation in any of my last videos. I don't know, I'm just obsessed with this foundation. I mean, you can see that I love it, obviously. There's barely anything left. There isn't anything left. I don't know what I'm doing with this. I'm not gonna waste any of this. I'm just gonna get in with a tiny brush and I'm gonna scrape out everything that's left in there, which is not a lot, but there is something. And then I'm just like applying it onto my face like this. Listen to that noise. So hard to buff foundation in with those kind of nails. I'm like, that's why I have this finger to control everything. Oh, my roots are so light again so that you can see every little bit of foundation I get in there. Now that the foundation is on, I'm gonna contour with the NYX Total Control foundation. Just like that. Okay, next is a concealer. Now I can't stop saying it like this. Oh, I'm sorry. I've been using the Tarte Shape Tape non-stop like the last months. Now I'm kind of like, it's really thick. I'm not feeling thick today. So I'm going back to my Maybelline Fit Me Concealer, and I'm using the shade 10 and 15, and I'm just like mixing it. It's so weird to cake it on like this because usually when I go to work or like my everyday makeup, it's just like a little bit of BB cream and brow gel now. Sometimes you just gotta do this again. I know you guys love the sound of the Beauty Blender. Let's get to the powders. And I gotta say, I'm kind of skeptical because the Huda Beauty foundation broke me out so bad. Like, my skin didn't like it at all. So I'm kind of scared of the Huda Beauty face products now. It does smell like the foundation, so I'm really scared of this. I'm just gonna use the brush which came with it. Really smells strong. I don't know how to... Oh, I just blew it in my eye. I really don't know how to get more product out of this. Oh my god, my shirt though. Oh, it's not even coming out. So I had this on for like, I don't know, 4 minutes, 5 minutes. So I'm just gonna brush it off because I'm really scared that my skin is gonna react to it. Let me just do my eyebrows off camera real quick and then I'll be right back. Should we start what we're actually here for? I think we should. Wow, I'm so mad. Whoa, I just realized. I mean, the powder sits super nicely on the skin, I gotta say that. I didn't even use primer and it kind of filled in my pores. So let's test out this beautiful thing right here. It kind of looks like my lock screen. Coincidence? I don't think so. So the palette looks like this. This one really speaks to me. It has like a lot of mattes and a lot of shimmers. It's just like a really pretty range of colors. Oh, But I gotta say, when it arrived and I opened it, I was like, The shades are so small. I kind of thought they were bigger, like the pan size. Let me just go in with like a transition shade first. And I think I'm gonna go, ooh, I'm gonna go in with this shade right here. It's called, I don't know, Quicksand. I think I'm just gonna apply it like into my crease. It definitely is pigmented, let me say that. I totally forgot that I bought 2 Fenty brushes. Oh. So I bought the 210 tapered brush and the 200 all over eyeshadow brush. I don't know how many brushes she came out with. I just saw those 2. Oh, they're fancy though. They're like a light purple kind of color. Oh, it's so much packaging. I don't think that's supposed to be there. I'm gonna just use the 210 brush next. I'm gonna be dipping into the red, ooh, which is called Saffron. Ooh, the brush is packed. No, I mean like the eyeshadow looks pretty good, but this is like not the right brush for this part. I feel like I need to get in there and blend it out even further. The eyeshadow is amazing though. I'm just gonna use the Fenty brush in 200 and still this red color, but I want to pack it on like right here in the corner of my eye. Oh, this brush is really good for this part, I just noticed. Did I mention that I'm having no fallout yet? There is absolutely no fallout. How is this possible? What kind of sorcery is this? Okay, next I'm gonna cut my crease using the tart shape tape. I said I'm not using this anymore, but for cutting your crease, it's a bam. I'm gonna do this like centered cut crease. I don't know what you call it. I'll show you. Oh, my brush fell so far. I'm trying to get it with my foot. Oh, no! My concealer fell into my rug. Bro, not today. Wow, this is hard. I've never done that before. I guess they're not like totally symmetrical, but I'm just gonna keep it like that. Okay, do you know what? I'm just gonna go in with this gold right here. It's called... Ow. What? Wait, this is mirrored. Wait. So the orange shade I went in at the beginning is called Quicksand. Wait, oh, I got it right. Now I'm totally confused. I am so confused. Anyway, I think the golden shade I'm gonna go in with now is called Marrakesh. Oh man, just gonna pack it on the brush. Ooh, the brush is coated. I didn't wet the brush, by the way. Oh, what a beautiful shade. Oh, this shade is amazing. Wow. I did not wet the brush at all, and this went on like a dream. I think I'm gonna go in with this pink shade right here, and I'm gonna use it as like a transition between this golden eyeshadow and the red. This shade is also really pretty. Like, I mean, you can't really see it that much because it like disappears into the red a little bit, but it definitely creates a nice gradient. Sorry you guys, I was just so hungry I had to make myself some pasta.
Like a normal adult in a productive society. Yeah. Bitch.
I've eaten something. I feel great. And I probably have like orange sauce all over my mouth now. Okay, so where were we? What did I do? Let's get to my lower lash line now. And of course, I have to use the blue shade right here, which is called, here we go again, Evil Genie. Oh, she's coming. Just blending it out a little bit. So this blue teal shade, it's gorgeous. I do have a little bit of fallout with this shade, but that's the only shade which has fallout so far, so I'm not mad. So to finish the eyes, I'm going to apply this white shade right here. Let's see. Girl, oh. Oh, it has like a pink shift to it. It looks white in the pan, but it's like iridescent, and now it looks like pink. And now it's time to put on some lashes. Lashes. Putting on lash glue. Say it with me! Okay.
Around me are familiar faces.
There's a fucking fly in here. She's annoying the shit out of me. I literally have no idea which lashes I'm using right now. Just found them on my desk without packaging. Okay, so I just applied my lashes. I went in with some mascara and I applied a little bit more of that blue eyeshadow because it kind of disappeared a little beneath my lower lashes. Okay, I think we are actually done with the eyes here. Let's just quickly do the rest of the face and then we can do lips and then we're actually done. I'm just gonna go in with my extremely dirty Kat Von D Shade and Light palette and I'm gonna chisel out those cheeks. For blush, I'm gonna go in with the Urban Decay with the Urban Decay Back Talk palette, and I absolutely love the blush side. Like I'm always using those two. This is like my go-to blush combination. And for highlighter, I think I'm actually gonna go in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Aurora highlighter palette. I hate this word. I'm just using the Huda Beauty brush. Just gonna dip into Luna and Eclipse. Maybe a little bit of Spectra. Oh, let's just do all of them. I always forget how beautiful the Anastasia highlighters are. Ah. This is actually a little too intense for me, so I'm just gonna pat it down with a beauty blender. I think I'm just gonna add a little bit of Moroccan Ice, this one here, on my highlighter, just to see what it looks like. I like it as highlighter. Ooh. For my lips, I'm not gonna do like something super crazy. I'm just gonna add a gloss. You can't even see it. The reflection is too strong. These are the Fenty Beauty Summer Days Iridescent Lip Luminizer Trios. No, it's just one trio. It's not like 3 trios.
Trio d'enlumineur à lèvres irisées.
So these are the shades a single, bilingual, and ready to mingle. This one or this one? Let's just see what this one looks like. Ready to mingle! Oh, these smell so good. I mean, it's an interesting shade, but I don't think you could wear this on its own. Looks a little weird. I just outlined my lips with the Gerard Cosmetics lip pencil in Sugar and Spice. I'm gonna go in with this orange shimmery lip gloss. Oh, it's beautiful! Oh, this gloss is gorgeous. And there we go, guys. This is the final look I created with the Fenty Beauty Moroccan Spice palette. There's a hair in my face and it tickles me. Where is it? Why don't you just leave my face? Thank you. I would say let's do my final thoughts on like all the products I used, basically. Let's just start with the Huda Beauty Easy Bake Powder. I'm still not so sure about it. I mean, it did make my skin look very pretty, but so did the Huda Beauty foundation, and I broke out from it, and and as I said, it smells exactly the same like the Huda Beauty foundation. What's even in there? What bad things can be in a powder? Cocaine? Maybe I'm gonna break out horribly the next couple of days because of that powder. Maybe I'm not going to, which would be very cool. The Fenty Beauty Moroccan Spice palette is amazing. All of these shades I used on my eyes. Oh, it's me. Hello. All of these shades I used on my eyes were absolutely amazing. This golden shimmer shade, bitch, I am done. I personally think that is the best golden shimmer shade I've ever tried on my eyes. Wow, those are big words for a small eyeshadow. They do have a little bit of a kickback when you like get in there with your brush, but fallout? No, bitch. Just like a little bit with this teal blue shade right there, but everything else was just, there wasn't any fallout. It's crazy. I know, it's crazy. I literally don't have anything bad to say about this palette. All of these shades I used on my eyes were amazing. Rihanna girl, you did everything right with this one. Oh, except that the lid is always falling down. If you guys consider buying this palette, bitch, go to Sephora, Get that shit. The two Fenty brushes I liked as well, and the lip gloss is gorgeous as well. So I think that's actually it, you guys. We did it. Don't forget to follow me on all of my social media, which is Naomijon on Instagram, Naomijon Snap on Snapchat, and the Naomijon on Twitter. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. Got myself a little bit more of the pasta.